All right, hi preschool one, it's Miss Jacqueline again. And during the last Zoom meeting we had, someone requested to do something with bubbles. So I know this is something Mr. Brian really does great, but I thought I'd find an art project to do with bubbles. So I am going to do art with bubbles on paper. So if you find some little containers and get bubble solution and some watercolor paint, you can do this at home. So to do it, take a 1 tablespoon measuring cup and you pour 3 of them into a container. So we're gonna measure out 1, 2, 3 for that one. And then 1, 2, 3 for that. And I've already made a color over here. This is a blue color in this container. Okay, so we have the bubbles. And then here's a dark blue I'm gonna make. This was a light blue, so now we'll make a dark blue color. And remember, watercolors are really messy, so I'm doing it outside because I tried it inside earlier and it went everywhere. Okay, so now the watercolors we need 2 tablespoons of to mix in with the bubbles. So we're gonna squirt this paint in and do 1 and 2, and then kind of mix it together. All right, so there's that one. And then I also have a purple color to add to the other container. We'll get a different one so the colors don't mix. We'll do 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. And then we'll mix that all together. Okay, now here comes the fun part. You can either use bubble wands or straws, so I'll show you how to do both. Okay, so with the straws, you just take a straw and you dip it in to the bubble solution, and then you get to blow onto the paper. Let's see. Oh, that one didn't work. Let's try again. Sometimes you gotta be really slow to make sure the bubble catches. Oh, let's try again. Oh, there goes a bubble. And once it pops, it leaves paint on the paper. Oh, sometimes it splatters, sometimes it leaves a big circle. Oh, that one didn't work. Oh, there's another one. Okay, let's add another color. I'm gonna use a bigger straw this time. Let's see what happens. I haven't tried the big straw yet. Big straw might be too big. Oh, that one, that one blew too far away. There we go. That one made a lot of bubbles. So it takes patience sometimes. And you want to make sure you don't scrape the bottom of the container because that will make the bubble come out of the straw. That one takes a little bit longer. Let's try the small straw again. There we go. Oh. Okay, well, let's try the wand. We've tried that one. Okay, so I had lots of fun different shaped wands here. So let's try this one. Now this is where it can get really messy. Okay, so there's lots of spots there. Here I go. See all those bubbles that came out and it covered the whole paper. Now I'll do some of the purple. And then I'll do some of the dark blue over here. And there you go. You have some artwork made with bubbles. So you can go ahead and try this at home, and I hope you have a lot of fun. But remember, it does make a mess, but that's the fun of it. Have a great day, you guys. I miss you. Bye.